Hi there! If you're running a dropshipping business on Shopify and looking for the perfect theme, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the top 3 free themes that can help boost your store's design and performance. Let's get started. First up, we have Dawn. This is Shopify's default theme and a great choice for dropshipping. It's minimalistic, making it perfect for showcasing products without distractions. It's designed for fast loading and optimized for mobile use, which is crucial for today's shoppers. Whether you sell fashion, gadgets, or home goods, Dawn can be easily customized to suit your brand. Next, we have Sense. This theme stands out for its modern and dynamic design. It's perfect for stores that want to add a vibrant touch. Sense comes with rich visual elements and great product filtering options, making it easy for your customers to find what they need. Plus, its features are optimized for storytelling, which is a great way to engage your audience and drive sales. Lastly, we have Refresh. As the name suggests, this theme brings a fresh, modern vibe to your store. It's designed with flexibility in mind, allowing you to showcase a variety of products. Whether you're into fashion, beauty, or tech, Refresh is easy to customize and looks great on any device. It's also packed with useful features like quick view and easy navigation, helping you create a smooth shopping experience for your customers. So there you have it, Dawn, Sense, and Refresh, 3 fantastic free themes for your dropshipping store on Shopify. All of them are easy to use, fast, and customizable, helping you create a great online shopping experience. If you're ready to get started, just head over to the Shopify theme store and try them out today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video.